enthusiasts, how you doing? Welcome back. I hope you're all well and I hope you're having a great day. So I'm a tad excited. So I have just seen a Mini this morning that I have been looking for the last 23 years, and I've found it. It popped up for sale on Facebook this morning. So I've got to go and see it, and thankfully it's not that far away. This Mini is arguably, for me, the best colour and interior combination that they ever made. And this Mini, this one in particular, is very, very close to my heart. We have a special link. So let's get P out uncovered. Let's jump in it. Let's go for a ride and check out this Mini that's for sale. Right then, let's put the keys in and let's go. This is our first new Mini we bought that we sold to buy our first house 24 years ago. So let's get going. So here it is. This is my 1998 classic Mini Cooper. I bought this pretty much brand new from Caffyns in Brighton in 1998, and I absolutely gutted I sold this car, and I've been looking out for it ever since. It's been missing for 24 years. I've never seen it at any shows, I've never seen any photos of it, and I've always longed to get this car back because I never wanted to sell the car. This to me was the first car I'd owned from new, and it was really special, and to my wife as well. It was our first kind of brand new car, so we had lots of memories in this. We'd done 30,000 miles, we'd done the Riviera run, London to Brighton, Mini 40, Silverstone. We'd done everything. We went all over the country in it. So why did I sell it? Well, we got married and we needed to buy a house and we needed a deposit, so the Mini had to go, unfortunately, and it went back to Caffyns, and that was the last time I ever saw it until this morning, and it popped up on Facebook, and honestly my heart skipped a beat when I saw it. I've been looking for this car forever, and it was for sale at Phil Miles Classic Cars. When I looked, he's literally only an hour away from where I live, so I had to scratch that itch. I had to come out and I had to come and look at the car. And can I buy it? I honestly am very, very torn at the moment. As you know, I've got the TVR, I've got the two classic Minis, plus the rest of the fleet as well. So do I have a space for another one? Or do I sell one and make space for this car, because it is very, very special to me? I've had a really good look around this car, and I've got to tell you, I am absolutely amazed how original it is. So when I bought this car, I wax oiled it from new, and that has really helped things out. It's still got the original sills. All the panels are original. Things like the scuttle panel to the wing, you can tell these are original. It's still got that nice gap there. Bottoms of the doors, there's certain bits of it, like I had mud flaps fitted on it, and I can still see the holes where the mud flaps are on the inner wings. So things like the inner wings haven't been replaced. It's still got all the factory undersill on the sills, even the interior there. Every single panel on this car is original, and there is literally no rust on there, which for a car of this age, of an MPI Mini, is just amazing. So credit to the owners after me, actually, because this must have been one very well looked after car. I suspect it's probably been garaged all its life, and it has continued to be wax oiled, because yeah, MPIs at this age just didn't last that well. So like I say, this car is for sale at Phil Myers Classic Cars, and I promise you he hasn't sponsored this video. I've seen some minis he sold in the past actually, and they always look amazing quality. So when this mini come up, I just had to come along and have a look. But if you are in the market for a very good quality mini, Phil only has the best cars in stock. So I think it's definitely worth coming along and having a look at his cars. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out, or if you want to check this car out. So I guess the question is, am I going to buy it? Well, you're going to have to subscribe, you're going to have to like, and you're going to have to stay tuned maybe for a future video. So I'll catch you again on the next one. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot. I'll catch you later.